On today's video, my family and I are going to be going down the river in kayaks, and I'm also going to be talking about a big giveaway from Modern Needs Survival.
Hey there, outdoor YouTubers. Well, like I said earlier, we've got a pretty good chunk of our clan out here in the kayaks today, and we're going to be floating down the river. Even though today is pretty much just about taking in some scenery and taking a leisurely float down the river, you guys know me. I gotta grab a fishing pole. I gotta bring that along and take a few casts anyways.
Okay guys, I gotta show you this SunCharge Supernova battery bank that I've been using when I go out kayak fishing. I've been hooking this up to the front camera on my kayak, and it allows me just to turn the camera on and just worry about fishing. Don't worry about turning cameras on and off or preserving battery power. I just hook this charge pack up to it, turn the camera on, and I can film for the entire trip. So that means no more fooling around, turning cameras on and off when you think you might be getting a fish or when you already have a fish on, and that means no more missed hook sets because the camera wasn't filming. But you know, this is no ordinary battery bank. It actually has 2 USB charging ports on it. It also has wireless charging for your cell phone. It has a built-in flashlight. But here's what really separates this battery bank from most other battery banks. It actually has a built-in onboard solar panel array for charging the battery bank. And anybody that purchases one of these Supernova battery banks during the month of July is automatically eligible to win a $5,000 dream vacation. So click on the link below down in the description of this video and get yourself an awesome battery bank and maybe even win the trip of a lifetime. I know you guys couldn't stay ahead of me forever.
big rapid up ahead. There's a big rapid up ahead.
Yeah, it's okay though.
Why is there rockers on this river? I don't get that.
Well, what happens is we get to places where it's a little bit shallower and quite a bit of rock.
Okay guys, if you're looking for more outdoor Upper Michigan content, be sure to check out the Ketters Practical Outdoors Patreon page. You can join for free, there's a lot of free content there, or for more exclusive content, you can become a member. The Ketters Practical Outdoors Patreon page has all the hunting and fishing stuff that you would expect, but it's actually different than our YouTube channel. At our Patreon page, you'll find throwback pictures of my wife and I, funny stories, and personal perspectives, all focusing on the outdoors. So if you think you might be interested in that sort of content, be sure to check out our Ketters Practical Outdoors Patreon page.
How was that, Perry? All right. Nothing to it, huh?
Yep, that'd be me.
Well, it was a lot of fun out on the river today. And don't forget to check out that link for this Supernova battery bank and maybe even win that vacation. Eat shark. Very good. So guys, if you're interested in more videos about getting out and enjoying the great outdoors of Michigan's Upper Peninsula, be sure to check out the entire channel. And if you enjoy what you see, please consider liking and subscribing. And for bonus content, be sure to check out our Patreon page. A link to this page can be found in the description of this video. And also guys, remember to hunt, fish, laugh, repeat. Thanks for watching, and God bless.